So hey, everybody has heard about the Champlain Towers down in South Florida and the collapse of that building. Do you remember the FIU bridge collapse not too long ago? There was even a local school, their walkway roof collapsed and hurt some people. Well, just recently, a dining establishment down in South Florida had a partial deck collapse, and again, some people were hurt. Now, granted, a lot of the reasons for these failures and these damages may not be visible or accessible, and therefore they are unpredictable. However, sometimes they are. Things like this, or this. If your building or your business had an incident, would you have a regular maintenance log of inspections and repairs? When's the last time you had your balconies checked as required by law? Well, hey, that's where we come in. I am John with Monolith Building Inspections and Inspectagator Residential Building Inspections. We have a long list of skill sets, and we would love to represent you. Feel free to give us a call and maybe do some preventative maintenance inspections.